Hello dear students, so once again as you all know your final exam is going to be online, an MCQ based online examination in which you have to select the correct option from the available 4 options. So here in this video I will be sharing with you an excellent app which will help you in finding the answers of your mathematical problem directly. And mind you, it covers all the mathematical topics of your first semester. The app name is Mathway. It is an online app. It has its own website also. You can do the same on mathway.com as well. So I have already downloaded the app Mathway, so I will open the app for you. So this is your app. It has a number of operations like basic math, pre-algebra, algebra, trigonometry, etc. So all your 5 units of the syllabus are covered here. So for example, suppose you want to solve a basic math problem. So basic math problem, you will get the number of operations here as you can see on your screen. Here you can solve the mensuration problems also. Here you can see the 2-dimensional shapes and 3-dimensional figures as well. Suppose I want to calculate for a cylinder. So as you know, the dimensions of a cylinder are its radius and height. So suppose the height of the cylinder is 8 centimeters and its radius is 7 centimeters. And you need to calculate, suppose its volume. We all know that the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. But our exam is online, we only want the answer. I want the volume of this cylinder having radius 7 centimeters and height 8 centimeters. So I will click on this arrow button. I will get the number of possible operations, the volume, surface area, area, perimeter, etc. We want volume of the cylinder, so I will click on the volume and it will produce us the final answer as 392 pi or 1231.50 pi. This will be the final answer, and you will only have to look at the available options. The correct option will be 1231.50. Correct. Same way, suppose you need to find a trigonometric problem, so you will click on trigonometry. This tab will open, and now here you have a capture button also. So click on the capture. Suppose you need to calculate this. आपको calculate करना है this one. If sin 3a is equal to 3/5, find the value of sin 3a. Your answer is here. You can see 117 upon 125. So we will find the answer using this Mathway app. So I will capture the question. I will crop the question, you can see, and then within seconds it will produce us the answer. So I have cropped the question properly. You can see your question is typed there, and what do I want? I want the trigonometric value. I will click on find the trigonometric value and it will give us the answer 117 upon 125, correct, which was the answer I had shown you earlier. Same way you can solve all the trigonometric problems here. You will directly get the answer. Suppose you want the steps. You want to see the steps, but for seeing the steps you need to purchase the app, and it has a number of types of subscriptions. You can see monthly and yearly, etc. And as you know, your exam is going to be online. You are only concerned about the final answer. Therefore, no need to go to the steps. Only get the final answer by clicking on the arrow button. Same way, suppose you want to calculate the determinant. The determinant problem, you want to solve a determinant. So click on algebra, as determinant is a topic of algebra. Then here on your screen you can see number of algebraic operations. So you want to enter a determinant or a matrix. So you will click on this. Suppose your matrix or a determinant is 3/3, 3 rows and 3 columns. So I will click here, and then I will enter the elements. Suppose the elements are 1, 2. You will enter all the elements using the arrow keys. All these elements are entered now. You can see 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 5, 6, 1, 0. Now what do you want? It is a matrix. Do you want its determinant? Do you want its inverse? What do you want? You want its inverse, its determinant. So click on the button, the operations will come, and select the appropriate operation. Find the determinant, click on the determinant, and it will give you the answer. The value of the determinant is 28. So this way, this app is very helpful for your final examination. You only need to type or capture the question properly. You will get your answer within seconds. So it will definitely help you in your final examination. So thank you very much.